I made a flashlight. Chargers on a wireless charger. Charging! Hey guys, I'm Jack. So, I wanted to buy a wireless rechargeable flashlight and I've been looking but couldn't find one, so I ended up making this one. One cell LiPo battery. The challenge, it has to have a flat side so it can sit on a charger like this. And by the way, it works even while we're charging. There's different chargers. This is another one. You just have to find the right spot where it recharges. It's basically waterproof. There's no connectors. I could seal the front. The switch is waterproof. It's a good outdoor work flashlight. Here's a view of the lamp in Fusion 360. You can see the flat bottom, the location for the battery, and that's a cat. And this is printed them. Here are all the parts. This is the body, 3D printed. The front cover and a spacer to hold the optic and the LED. This is the Qi receiver with a tiny micro USB plug, so I got a adapter, easier to solder the wires on here. The battery charger, monitoring the charge and the discharge. The current regulator will output 350 milliamp. It's so small I solder it on a prototyping board. Really small. A switch with a waterproof cover and a battery, one cell LiPo, and a Qi emitter. Here's all the parts soldered together. The battery soldered to the board, the B+, B-, you'll see in a second, soldered on the battery. The Qi receiver with the USB connector soldered to the input, the switch. The parts of the optic are glued together with epoxy, and the current regulator on the back side. So ready to put in the body. Take the body, take the battery, put the battery in to its location, then the charge board next to it. Carefully, not breaking the wires, push it in place. And then the Qi receiver will come on the bottom side. And then push that connector on the side too. Next, install the switch and put the cap on. Make it tight. Make sure the plug is on the side out of the way. Put some foam to hold the parts in place so there's no rattling around. Okay, checking. I'm also going to test the wireless charging, make sure it's working. Okay, LED blue came on. Okay, now I can put it together. Just screw the top. There it is, done. And charging. I made a flashlight. I hope you liked this video. Please like, subscribe, and until next time. Bye.